All right, guys, this is beautiful Saturday afternoon in the UK, and I just want to let you guys know that there is another property that has been sold out recently. Okay, and don't worry, there are many other properties within the list of all the real estate that we have in estate that you will be able to purchase, right? So even though the Villa Maui that has been sold out, okay, right now it's no longer there for you to purchase a fraction of it. There are other ones that you can actually purchase. But before I go into the estate back office and show you the Villa Mau that has been sold out, I just wanted to remind you guys just now this afternoon that there are still promo that is going on, the summer property bonus. This one is ending on the 12th of July, and I don't want you guys to miss out on this, right? On my left hand side here, this is the ones that you are supposed to purchase a fraction of, and then on my right hand side here are the corresponding bonuses that you will get. So basically, when you purchase a fraction of the business development, you will get a bonus of the land plot. Okay, and the land plot is giving a monthly profit of up to $8,727. So this is great for you purchasing a business development. And then on my right hand side here, they are giving you land plot bonus for free. Okay, so it means you are going to be earning up to $8,000 for free from the bonus that they have given you for purchasing the business development. The same thing, if you go below the business development, is the development property. If you purchase a fraction of that, they will give you a bonus of the Sunset Villa. And the Sunset Villa is going to be returning a floating profit monthly of up to $2,000. So imagine getting a free $2,000 deposited into your account every single month for just purchasing a piece of the development property. Now, the last bonus that they have here is the lake house bonus. But for you to get the lake house bonus, you will need to purchase a fraction of the desert villa. Now, the desert villa is only costing you $1,000, but they will give you a bonus of the lake house. So basically, you are buying one and getting one free. So that being said, let me go to my back office and show you exactly the property that has been sold out. This is the property that has been sold out. Okay, so if you are not familiar with this property, this one is now gone. You can no longer purchase a fraction of this. But as I said, this Villa Maui that has been sold out, we have other ones as well that you can purchase. Okay, so you just missed out on $634 profit every single month for not purchasing a fraction of this big Villa Maui. Now, if I click into the select property, this section here, you will notice that they have other properties that you can actually purchase, right? So apart from the Villa Maui that has been sold out, we have the one, okay, that is just above it. It's called Villa. This one is in LA, and you can purchase a fraction of this starting from as minimum as $3,120, and you are looking at monthly profit, okay, floating profit of up to $400, $399.63, and on a daily basis you are looking at $19. So again, this is great for somebody that is looking for replacement for Villa Maui. You can come and purchase the villa in LA. Right now, if you go above Villa in LA, you will see the Desert Villa, which is the one that is currently under promotion for only $1,000 minimum. You will be able to purchase a fraction of this, but you will get free fraction of the lake house if you purchase the Desert Villa. So there are other properties here that you can purchase. This apartment one is sold out. The Miami apartment is still available for you guys to purchase if you wish to purchase a fraction of this. And then there are other ones as well within the list that you can purchase. They have the Commerce, they have the Sunset, they have the Business, They have the land plot, they have the development, and then they have the business development. So you can come in here and purchase either of these, right? So I just thought I should let you guys know that the Villa Maui is now sold out. Okay, don't sit on this because the properties are going really fast. So if you are contemplating on getting one or two of these properties, I would recommend that you get them right now. Like right now, get your money into estate and get it right now, because they are not going to be there for too long. Right now, remember that before they started doing this summer property bonus, they were doing the 1 year anniversary bonus, and the offers that they had in the 1 year anniversary bonus is even much more better than the promo they are doing right now, which is the one you are looking at. So again, every single month, estate is presenting opportunity for newcomers to take advantage of these bonuses they are offering, and then existing members take the advantage and grow, multiply your portfolio that you have already. It's as simple as that. So that's me, guys. I just thought I should let you guys know that the Villa Maui has now been sold out, and we are progressing every single day in estate. Now remember, guys, that deposit and withdrawal and even your profit that you make on a daily basis, they are working perfectly okay in estate. You do not need any third party to make a withdrawal and receive your withdrawal in estate. Withdrawal works like clockwork, right? It has never failed since 1 year that I have been in estate. So if you would like to join estate because of that alone, because of that consistency in your profit withdrawal that comes to your private wallet without having to worry, the link to do so is below this video description. Now remember, don't just register if you are not prepared to commit to purchasing a fractional real estate in estate, because I am here to support you from day one to when you are going to be very comfortable purchasing your fractional real estate on a regular basis, right? So contact me, reach out to me through my WhatsApp, through my Telegram, through my Facebook Messenger. For those of you that are very familiar with Facebook Messenger, please contact me via my YouTube profile page. When you go to my YouTube profile page, you will see my Facebook link. Click on the link and contact me on the messenger. Then I will now guide you on what you need to do, and you will be able to seamlessly register, deposit, purchase your fractional real estate, and begin to earn after 24 hours. Okay, our earnings comes only 5 days in a week, Mondays through Fridays. Okay, so Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays every single week. On Saturday and Sunday, there are no profits that is being generated that you need to get credited in your back office in estate. We only get paid 5 days in a week, and for that alone I am grateful, because we are able to withdraw that profit as well. That's the point of joining a platform. You put your money in, you use your money to make money, and the money your money has made, you are able to withdraw that money, and the money gets into your wallet without any issues. So if you fancy estate, the link to do so is below this video description. Otherwise, thank you guys, and I will see you in my next estate video.